If you're going on a Norwegian cruise in 2026 and you're trying to decide whether you should buy the beverage package or not, stop right there. Because this one decision can either save you hundreds of dollars or quietly drain your budget before you even realize it. And most first time cruisers get it wrong. Let's break it down the simple way. No hype, no cruise line sales pitch, just real numbers. Hi guys, I'm Ashley. I'm a registered nurse and also a travel agent. If you're planning your first cruise or just pricing one out, the drink package question is the biggest money decision you're going to make before you even get on board. And the truth is, it's not whether it's good or bad. It's whether it's good for you and how you drink on vacation. Let's start with the basics. What are you actually paying for the Norwegian Cruise Line beverage package in 2026? With Norwegian, their basic free at sea package is what you're going to get for the beverage package. This costs you around $37 per day. So on a 7-day sailing, it's going to cost you $259 a person for 7 days. So before you even drink a single cocktail, you're already committing to a few $100s a person. Now here's when most people make their first mistake. Most first-time cruisers look at this and think, I need to drink a lot to make this worth it. But that is actually the wrong way of looking at it. The beverage package doesn't solely cover alcohol. It covers sodas, juices, and specialty coffees. But it's not without its restrictions. On Norwegian Cruise Line, unless you upgrade to the Free at Sea Plus package, it will not cover freshly squeezed juices, energy drinks, Starbucks, or bottled water. So what ends up happening is people either buy the beverage package and think they have to drink a lot to make it worth it, or they don't buy the beverage package and they overestimate how much they actually drink on a cruise. So what's actually different about Norwegian Cruise Line's beverage package is there's two options. There's Free at Sea and Free at Sea Plus. So if you're someone that likes to enjoy basic cocktails, then the regular Free at Sea package is fine. If you want upgraded liquors and bottled water, you want to upgrade to the Free at Sea Plus. I actually have a video on this and I'll link it in the description below. But with Norwegian, there's more inclusions than just the beverages. This $37 a day per person is not only going to get you beverages, it's also going to get you some specialty dining, 150 minutes of Wi-Fi, and a shore excursion credit. So in comparison to other cruise lines, this is a great value. Think about the last time you've gone out to dinner and got a beverage and a meal for $37 a person. So in my opinion, this is what puts Norwegian in a different category than other cruise lines. The four catches people don't talk about Norwegian Cruise Line's beverage package is that you can only get 2 drinks at a time, only up to the price of $15 per drink. If you want something that's a higher tier level of a liquor or a wine, it's going to cost you the difference. It will be charged to your cruise card. And if one person in the cabin gets the beverage package, the other person needs to get that beverage package as well. And here's a little pro tip. A lot of ports, especially US based, charge a government or a state tax while you're in port drinking. So if you're drinking before you actually sail out, if you're enjoying a cocktail and sail away, you have to be aware that these taxes may be charged to your cruise line until you get so many nautical miles away from the port. Now, how does Norwegian's beverage package stack up to others like Royal and MSC's beverage packages? Royal Caribbean's beverage package runs you about $60 to $70 a person per day. Now, this does not include any higher of a tier of liquor. It only covers up to $15 per drink, just the same as Norwegian's, but it does include bottled water. So in my opinion, that is a little step up from Norwegian's beverage package, but it also only includes beverages on Royal. It does not have the other inclusions that Norwegian's Free at Sea has. Now, MSC's beverage package is a little bit different. It is up to $15 per drink, but there's a limit. You can only order 15 alcoholic beverages per day with the MSC beverage package, so that is a big difference, and theirs does include bottled water. The MSC beverage package is running between $58 and $65 a person per day, depending on the tier of beverage package that you purchase. But although Royal and MSC's beverage packages are a little bit more expensive, you do with Royal have the option to cancel and repurchase your beverage packages if the price dropped before you're sailing. Now with Norwegian, it is actually locked in because it is that package with your dining, your Wi-Fi, and your shore excursion. So that is a little bonus with Royal Caribbean's beverage package to think about. It's a little bit more expensive, but you do have a little bit more wiggle room for pricing. If you're someone like myself and you enjoy bottled water and Starbucks, then I would suggest you upgrade to the Free at Sea Plus. It's going to be $49.99 more a day, but it's going to give you unlimited Wi-Fi, it's going to give you Starbucks, and you're going to have your specialty dining included and beverages, upgraded beverages, I should say. So if you're not sure if you want to upgrade to the Free at Sea Plus package, you can do so up until 7 days prior to your sailing. There's no pressure. So let's do some simple math. A light drinker, 1 or 2 drinks a day, you probably don't break even. You're probably actually losing money on the package. A moderate drinker, 3 to 5 a day, you're in the gray zone. You either sometimes break even and sometimes lose money. If you're a heavy drinker, 5+ drinks a day, This is where it's going to start making sense to have the beverage package. Here's the part a lot of people don't realize. The convenience factor matters. It's psychological. It's prepaid freedom. It's not having to worry about what every drink costs on board the ship. A lot of people don't buy this because of the math. They buy it because of simplicity. So who should actually buy this beverage package? If you enjoy drinking on vacation, you like the convenience factor, and you don't want to worry about surprise bills, then I think you should buy it. When do I think you should skip it? If you're budget friendly, you're spending a lot of time off the ship, and you're a very light drinker. This is where you have to be honest with yourself, not about what sounds fun, but what you actually do on vacation. So here's what experienced cruisers do differently. We estimate usage before booking. We don't assume, we calculate. We compare package versus real behavior, and that one shift can save you hundreds of dollars per trip. So is the Norwegian Cruise Line beverage package worth it in 2026? The honest answer, it really depends on how you travel. But now you know how to figure it out before you spend a single dollar. If you're a first-time cruiser, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Ashley Neal. I'll see you next time.